Hey there, I'm Katie Kollhoff, CEO and co-founder of NUMiX Materials. I'm honored to be with you here today on behalf of NUMiX as the winners of the inaugural Cleantech Inclusion Award, supported by Clean Energy Trust and US Bank. At NUMiX, we're creating sorbents to harvest critical metals domestically, enabling a fundamental shift in the way critical metals are sourced and closing the loop for a clean transition to a circular economy. Now, you may be wondering to yourself why this even matters, and I'd like to use cobalt as an example of one critical metal that we can look at. Today, the consumption pattern of cobalt is largely linear. It's extracted from the earth, made into products like lithium-ion batteries, used and disposed, resulting in massive resource leakage from the overall system. At the same time, cobalt demand is anticipated to grow 10% year over year, so that by 2025, demand outpaces supply from conventional sources. Here in the United States, we're relying on imports for 78% of all cobalt we consume annually to power EVs, to manufacture wind turbines, and to create permanent magnets. The good news is that upgrading the resources currently in use and circulation today represents a huge opportunity to address a growing need, a nearly $5 billion opportunity in the value of cobalt alone. As the old saying goes, waste not, want not. So, okay, how do we prevent waste? NUMiX has developed and is bringing to market proprietary sorbents to extract critical metals like cobalt from diverse feedstocks, such as industrial wastewater. Within minutes of application of our materials, the sorbents become enriched with cobalt, creating a solid mass that's ready to be refined by typical processes. Between steps 1 and 5, we've taken a hazardous waste headache for our customers and turned it into a concentrated value stream of critical metals. Now, NUMiX is beginning our resource upgrade mission by selling sorbents to water treatment customers to upgrade water as well as treatment residue, as we build toward a full-service model within the next 3 years. Removal of metal contaminants from water can be a tricky proposition in industrial settings. We're addressing these market segments because they have the largest need for innovation in metal removal. NUMiX's materials upgrade waste streams to concentrated metal byproducts, turning cost drivers into value drivers. We've been developing these materials since 2018 when we got together at Northwestern University. And now, as members of Chain Reaction Innovations at Argonne National Labs, we're scaling production of our sorbents as well as the harvest of critical metals in order to demonstrate our circular economy business model. The Cleantech Inclusion Award allows us to accelerate our rate of deployment as we go forward to increase the scale of critical metal harvest. Preventing resource leakage is a fundamental need, and we believe it's a huge opportunity for clean tech and circular economies. However, it's going to take more to circularize these linear value chains, and we'd love your help upgrading our approach. If you share our vision towards sustainable metals production, let's definitely talk. Thank you so much for your time.